auspicious World Environment Day, we pledge to restore the balance in nature, to bring harmony between nature and people. We all shall protect the very essence of life in our planet. The rich biodiversity and vibrant ecosystem mosaics that the species thrive in. Let us inspire positive change and be a part of generation restoration.
Honorable Principal, respected teachers, dear parents and my friends. Today is 5th June and this day is celebrated as a World Environment Day across the world. And today it is being celebrated even in our school to create awareness amongst the people, to preserve our nature and environment. It's very much important to create awareness for the preservation of nature and environment. Therefore, today we are gathered here, we are planting trees. Generally, we think that being a common people, what can we do? Because the issue, the subject is very big. Preservation of nature and environment. Very big issue, very big topic. Being a common people, what can I do here? We think so, but it is not like. We can bring a big changes by contributing very small thing. Like whenever, we stay at home, we find even we are not in the room, but fans are moving. Light is on. Whenever we come out from our office, we forget to switch off our fan. At home also it happens same. For the preservation of energy, light energy, we can avoid it. This is also a very big contribution that we will be giving for the saving of nature. One more thing that usually we do, that is, very often we use two-wheelers, four-wheelers. It is not that much essential. Even then, we use like for, just we come out for buying medicines, we use motorbike. Just we go for fetching vegetables and all, we use, motorcycle. Excess using of vehicles we can avoid. Using of sound system, DJs, high volume, we can avoid. Misusing of water. Water is served whenever we feel thirsty, we ask water. Whenever water is served, it is served full glass of water. We take half of it and we throw out. While buying the bottle of water, we drink half, we throw half. In this way, by saving all these things, we can play a big role, very important role in the preservation of nature and environment. Like, as our state and central government also is saying, to make digital India by printing less paper, through SMS and through emails. I mean, many communications you can make, but still, where there is, not essential, even there also we use papers. By avoiding all these things, we can make a big contribution in the act in regards of preservation and the savings of nature, because it is our social responsibility. It is our social, by being a social beings, it is our social responsibility to give, to hand over a healthy nature and environment to our upcoming generation. So, before it is too late, this is the time to wake up for every one of us. So, today we have taken place for the saving of nature, energies, and the environment. Let us implement in our daily activities, daily life, and let us be a model for our youth. Thank you very much.